Today I want to show about my Fiverr account. This is my Fiverr account. I have done some works with 5-star review. I have completed 11 order with 5-star review. That is my review. I have some review here. Completed many jobs on Fiverr, and I have a lots of portfolio. There is my portfolio. Project I added portfolio as a portfolio like this. These are my portfolio. If anyone to order any service, you can charge my portfolio which I have done. Okay. And also I have another account on Upwork. Now I will show my Upwork profile. This is my Upwork profile. I have done some works on Upwork. There is my Upwork profile. I have done 3 jobs on Upwork. And that is my portfolio. Okay. And I have done 2D drawing to combine few existing part in DWG and raster file convert to STL. And I have another experience I have added in my area. And also I work on this cat couch. I also work on cat couch as a top designer, and my global rank is 388. And there are many portfolio which I done. See more. You can see my portfolio. If anyone need like this project, you can contact by this account or any or my all account. I will add the link in the video description. Please, if anyone need such type of service, such type of project, you can contact with me by my email or with my Fiverr, Upwork and Cat profile message. Thank you for watching.